The UN Agency for Palestinian Refugees has warned of the risk of disease outbreaks and dehydration across Gaza. It says the lack of access to clean water and increasing summer heat is making the situation worse. Humanitarian conditions are rapidly deteriorating. UNRWA says there is a real concern that cholera might take hold. So let's go to central Gaza now and speak to Al Jazeera's Hani Mahmoud, who joins us outside the Al-Aqsa Hospital in Deir al-Balah. And of course, we often hear about the killing and the wounded patients that are there, but also now people are losing their lives potentially to what is a growing public health crisis, Hani.
Yes, well, this is the other silent killing machine going on across the Gaza Strip, and all because of the humanitarian catastrophe created by the ongoing intense bombing campaign across the Gaza Strip. They enforced displacement for more than 67% of the total area of the Gaza Strip, all concentrated right now in the central area and further southern part of the city of Khan Yunis. But we're looking at not only bullets and bombs are killing people, but the difficult living conditions created by this genocidal war on the ground are also killing more people, putting their life at risk, and poses major health risk from the limited access to basic supplies, including water supplies. And right now in the central area, there is a minimal access to water, to clean drinking water, for the hundreds of thousands of displaced families in the central area. This is also coupled by, right now, summertime, the sharp rise in heat, the dry weather, the proliferation of insects and rodents that are creating favored conditions for transmitted diseases, including infectious diseases among displaced families here in evacuation centers. And when we talk about evacuation centers, the situations are not good at all. They are very dire, catastrophic. There are piles of trash surrounding these evacuation zones. There is entire collapse of sewage system, and you walk in the street that are either rubble filled or trash filled, the streets or roads. But right now we're seeing also ponds of sewage everywhere, that posing a great health risk for people in the central area. Already the WHO warned of the sharp increase of documented cases of infectious diseases among the most vulnerable group here. We're talking about the children, we're talking about women who are either pregnant or they are breastfeeding. And it's not only malnutrition as well with these vulnerable group, but also the spread of these diseases that are causing a difficult health condition for them, and of course putting more pressure and more difficulties on health facilities like this one behind me right here. This is Al-Aqsa Hospital. They're not only dealing with the injuries coming from targeted sites, but also they have to make rooms for patients and for those who are catching and contracting these diseases. So far, there's a large number of people who died because of these conditions across evacuation zones, and mainly here in the central area, as this part of the Gaza Strip is running out of space, running out of infrastructure and proper facilities to accommodate this large number of people.
Okay, thank you very much. Hani Mahmoud joining us there from the Al-Aqsa Hospital in Deir al-Balah.